The animal kingdom is home to some of the cutest creatures on the planet, but also to some of the most deadly. Welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 most dangerous animals. For this list, we're looking at the animals that are most dangerous towards humans, but we are not including humans on the list. Number 10. The Deathstalker Scorpion. This little guy is one of the reasons scorpions have such a bad rep, as it is responsible for 3/4 of scorpion-related deaths annually, with young children and the elderly especially at risk. The third most venomous scorpion in the world, the Deathstalker's venom is extremely potent and painful, and is actually resistant to treatment. Though healthy adults won't necessarily die from its sting, much anti-venom would likely be required. It's found primarily throughout North Africa and the Middle East, so if you're in the neighborhood, watch out. Number 9. The Saltwater Crocodile. The largest reptile in the world, saltwater crocodiles are extremely dangerous and are responsible for attacking hundreds of people every year. They're found all over the world in all sorts of habitats, including both saltwater and freshwater. They have the strongest bite of any animal currently in existence, with their jaws capable of applying over 3,500 pounds of pressure per square inch. They have an alarming tendency to consider humans as their prey, although only if we venture into their territory. Number 8. The African Elephant. From the world's largest reptile to its largest land animal, elephants are one of the most popular creatures on the planet, but that doesn't make them any less dangerous. They've been known to become extremely aggressive without warning, making them one of the more unpredictable animals on the planet. This is especially dangerous because they frequently come into contact with people through safaris and other ventures. It seems like at least once a year, there's a story about an elephant wandering into a village and trampling dozens of people. Number 7. The Hippopotamus. While hippos may not necessarily come across as an extremely dangerous animal, they are aggressive and have been known to attack people without provocation. They're usually found in Africa and are one of the larger animals responsible for killing the most humans on that continent. Despite weighing several thousand pounds, a hippo can run as fast as 20 miles an hour and has an extremely powerful mouth. They can decimate safari vehicles without breaking a sweat. Number 6. The Cape Buffalo. When you think of the most dangerous animals in Africa, the Cape Buffalo may not be your first or even your fifth thought. They are responsible for hundreds of deaths every year, however, and eagerly go after jeeps and trucks, overturning them with ease. They are sometimes referred to as the Black Death and have been known to fight off crocodiles and lions. Their ability to run at 40 miles an hour despite weighing 2,000 pounds makes them one of the most dangerous animals in not only Africa, but the entire world. Number 5. The Great White Shark. While great whites have gotten a bit of a bad reputation when it comes to aggressiveness towards humans, this doesn't make them any less dangerous. Their rapid speed, extraordinary strength, and crushing teeth make them one of the ocean's most deadly predators. They like to sample their food before they eat it, and this sometimes means taking a bite out of a swimmer's leg. They rarely eat humans, however, but a shark's bite is more than enough to put you in serious danger. Number 4. The African Lion. Take one look at an African lion, and you know you're putting your life at risk just by getting within striking distance of the animal. This doesn't seem to stop humans from going on safaris or attempting to tame them, however. As a result, hundreds of people die every year at the hands of the African lion. Luckily, they do not actively seek out humans, but their amazing speed and razor-sharp teeth and claws mean that if they do decide to make you their prey, you are in a lot of trouble. Number 3. The Box Jellyfish. If you come across one of these creatures while scuba diving or floating in the sea, get away as fast as possible. The box jellyfish is one of the most venomous animals on the entire planet, a category that includes frogs, scorpions, and snakes. It can possess as many as 60 tentacles, and their sting can kill a human, either by paralyzing them, which leads to drowning, or by stopping their heart. Luckily, many people survive encounters with the box jellyfish, but not without first experiencing excruciating pain. Number 2. The Black Mamba Snake. Despite being the second most venomous snake in the world, the black mamba makes our list because it's the most feared snake in all of Africa, which is saying something. Their bite has been called the kiss of death and can kill a human in less than 10 hours if not treated effectively. While the black mamba usually tries to flee from humans, they will attack if they feel threatened, delivering deadly strikes in rapid succession. Before we unveil our top pick, here are a few honorable mentions. Number 1. The mosquito. With a list that includes crocodiles, lions, and sharks, it may be difficult to believe that mosquitoes are the most dangerous animals on the planet. While they won't eat you, this small insect is responsible for killing over 1 million people each year because it spreads diseases, the most famous of which is malaria. In fact, they are said to transfer diseases to over 700 million people annually. They're located all over the world, from tropical areas to cold climates, and are responsible for more human deaths than all the other animals on this list put together. Do you agree with our list? What do you think is the most dangerous animal on Earth? For more informative top 10s published every day, be sure to subscribe to WatchMojo.com.